Do you know what plant or tree this is? Does the leaves look familiar? Well, let's see. Yes, you guessed it. It's moringa. Did you know leaves of the moringa tree can be used to solve stomach problems such as ulcers, build immune system, expel intestinal worms, along with fighting or protecting yourself against cancer? The moringa seed can also be used for arthritis, asthma attacks, and to lower cholesterol. It also can help to boost the mojo. The seeds can also be grounded to purify water. Moringa is called the vitamin tree. It's packed with vitamins A, B, C, potassium, and so much more minerals. Did you know? Share in the description section. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.